First, we're going to remove these little pins. You guys are probably going to have air intake to get out of the way. I don't, because I have a cold air intake, so it is out of the way. So we'll go ahead and remove these little pins. I'm just using a flathead screwdriver, kind of prying it, pushing it out, setting it off to the side. So see if you guys can see, get a little bit angle, better of an angle. Pry, pull with your fingies. Set it up and off to the side. And then lift it up and off. Next we just gotta push and pry them out. I'm gonna see if I can use a screwdriver and just kind of pry. Newer car, they come out easier. Older car, not so much. You might even just be able to push right here. Yeah, there we go. Where it went, I don't know. Ah, here it is. Just like that, the old bushing is out. Do the same thing to the other one. Hopefully it'll come out that easy. Come on. It comes off of where it's supposed to. There we go. Now we got the other one. I'll just do the same thing as I did with the last one. Flip it upside down and push it out. Hope that works. Kind of rest it right there. Nope, that's not working. Maybe we gotta pry first. This one's a little tighter. I'm gonna have to upgrade the screwdriver to a little bit bigger one. We are back with a bigger screwdriver. Just stick it in there. Let's see if we can't get this bad boy out of here. Which it is coming ever so slowly. Got it. There you go. Get a little bit of that anti-seize or the super lube that they include with it. Put it on that center pin. For ease of installation. Grab our little dualios right here, our little bushings. And then we just slip this bad boy on like that. And like so. Next, these little, I guess they're almost a washer. I forget what they're called, but they slide in. They're going to act as a washer, and they slide into that groove. It's on the top of the bushing to help make it tight. Well, that went on a little bit. I'm just prying against this piece right here and reaching down. We'll see if we can get a better angle. We'll use the screwdriver that isn't broken too, so that way we can actually there it is. There it is. That's in. Hopefully that'll focus. You can see side by side. This one is just slightly thicker, so we're going to go ahead and use it. There we go. Well, let's give her a shot, see what she looks like.